Good morning friends, welcome to Saral Gyan. In today's video, we will learn how to do email diarization from a designation based email. So keep watching. Hello friends, welcome to Saral Gyan. As we all know that we can easily do email diarization from our own account into eOffice application. And I have already made a video about it and you can check the video. But in most of the commissioners and organizations, we have designated an official email ID to receive all the emails, and one or two officers are designated to handle that email. But as you know, email coming only into your account can be diarized using the email diarization. So there is a way to forward the email received on designated emails to your account or to the account of the officer who is designated to handle that email, and I am going to show you that. But before that, I will show you what is the difference between both of the things. So if I click on NIC email and I log in to my account, so here you can see that I can see the email received in my inbox and I can diary them easily. But what if I have been designated to handle an official email ID? In that case, one of the options was you have to forward the email from that email to your email account and then you can diary it. But there is also a shortcut to do that, and that is called sharing. And for that, you have to go to the designated email ID of your department, and here you have to click on preferences. Once you click preferences, this window will open, and here you have to click on sharing in the left tab. And in the sharing, here you have to say mail folder and click on share. And then we want to share the inbox only, so we'll click on inbox and click on OK. And then here you have to select internal users, and I will add my email ID here. And then I will have to give the manager option to myself and click on OK. What it will do is it will share the email received in this mailbox into my mailbox. So let's open an incognito window so that I can open my account. New private window, and I will open email.gov.in, and here I will log in with my account. So click on sign in. So what now will happen is I have got an email from that account, and there I have an option to do accept share. So I click on accept share, and I can give it a name. So I will keep it like this only, and then I will click on yes. So now what will happen, I will get a folder here. So I have got this S&I branch inbox here, and here I can see the email of S&I branch. So now I will go back to eOffice application, and now what we will do is we will sign it out for once. So now I am signed in. So here I can see that I have got a folder. So I'll click on S&I branch folder, and I'm not getting any email. So for that I'll go back to my email, and here I will rename this folder, and I will say official -email, and I'll click on OK. So now I have named it official -email, and there is no space between. So I will again go to my mailbox and I will refresh it. And now I have got official email. I'll click on official email. So now you can see that if I have renamed it to official -email, it has got I have got all the emails. So one thing you should be sure about is that when you are accepting that request, you should name it in such a way that there are no special characters and there is no space in between. Only then you would be able to diary it. Now I can open any kind of a email. So let's go to this, and I'll click on move to e-file, click on OK. And it has moved to e-file. Now I click here, and in my receipt I'll go to email diarization, and here you can see that email has appeared in my email diarization, and now I can easily diarize this email. So this is a way in which you can diary an email received in an official email box into your eOffice account without forwarding the email manually to your account. The one thing you need to be careful is that you have to rename the folder in such a way that there is no space in between. If you want to add more characters, then separate them with a hyphen as I have done. So this is it for this video. If you have learned something new from this video, please hit the like button and share it with your colleagues. And if you want to be notified about the future videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for now. Bye bye.